Alright, part 2. I wrung out the pants, I put them into the spin dryer. I've got the other one standing by here. And one pot was more than enough. So I'm going to stick these in here, but I'm not going to turn it on yet. Alright, spin dryer. And this will not work unless it's closed. Turn it on. And if it's not even, like a front load, it will not spin. Let's try that. Turn it on. There we go. I'm gonna need the light after all. It's starting to get a little dark in here. Granted, the sun don't set till about almost 8 o'clock. You can see inside the bucket now. Okay. It wasn't much water. This pitcher is standing by for, spin rinse, but I gotta get this water in there first. I can do that now, but I'm gonna have to pause you guys. Okay. And watch this. Good brakes. Let me shut it off. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause you guys. Okay, I dumped the soapy water back into the washer. Let's start the washer. 12 minutes. Oh. What happened? How come it won't start now? Oh, it was on. Off. Okay, got confused there for a second. Now I can do the spin rinse. ¿Quieren salir en YouTube? Ok, pues no se arrimen. ¿Fueron al cine? All three in one day. Suerte que trabajé anoche. Porque les salió más barato. ¿A dónde fueron a desayunar? ¿Golden Corral? ¿A IKEA? ¿El de Chandler? Oh, pues aquí siempre. Ah, está bien. Yeah. Está bien. Lo miraron en el IMAX. Parece. No tiene tortillas, no tiene queso. Vi el chile verde. Lo vi en el otro lado. Pero es que hubiera comprado chile verde. Ajá. ¿Ahí en el Arizona Mills?
Sí. Se compra parques. Hoy Pablo lo siguió y le dio el parque. A los 3 Pablos.
All right, more water. Oh, I am not left-handed, so this is kind of difficult. All right. Sí, está esperando el pastel español. They also make a bigger version of this, a floor model. But no, I don't need it. I mean, that would have worked when our Neptune broke. But this one saved the day for me anyway. This is what I didn't show you last time. I'm going to switch it to normal. Alright, you can see the difference. Here you can actually see it turn over better when it's on normal. As you can see, it's a bit rough. And it causes more water to drain out. Could I have put both of my pants in here at the same time? Yes, but they wouldn't wash the same. This way there's room for water to go through the fibers. Gentle. There is a problem with these. They're not very well sealed from the top part. From the cracks here, they tend to leak out, even on the spin dryer side. So you'll feel water come out the sides here. Sometimes you'll see it drip down. I'm just afraid it'll get down into the motor. Pull these out, put them aside. And yes, the island is clean. About 6 minutes left of the wash. little crack right there, and that little slit in the back corner. ¿Qué es? ¿De dónde? Rainforest? Oh, claim jumper. In a small amount of water like this, the power pot is really concentrated. Water's slick, and I like that. So depending on your load size and a high efficiency washer, you might want to add 2. 2 should be enough, but it's a really huge load, then, you know, you've got deep water, then 3. It's extremely quiet. I like this a lot. One time when I first got it, the screw that holds the impeller down, or the pulsator, it wasn't on tight, and when I reached down there to looking for a small sock or something, I felt it sticking out. So right away I screwed it back in. It unscrewed itself during the wash. Ooh, how many more minutes? About 2. At 13 minutes, I'm gonna pause it, and just about now. Wash is done. I'm gonna shut it off, and we're gonna go to drain. And here it comes. And it's just a gravity drain. Gotta watch the bucket. If I could do this in the shower, I would, but I don't have a long enough extension cord for this. Stop the drain. That's high enough. All right. It's pretty murky water. You can't really tell, but in person, yeah, you can. Okay, drain again. You can hear in here too. Reaching 15-minute mark. I'll wring it out and put it in the spin dryer.